got something for each land.
You got stitch riding with this tomorrow. There's this Space Mountain. There's an oranger sitting on orange slice. Has gumbo for more water.
You need to drink water.
Haven't drank it before, really.
He has not had enough water.
I saw him drinking from his water.
Yeah, and then he took mine. So he's had some recently.
He's had some. None of us have had
Not
that.
enough.
I know. Hard water. We'll finish up. So, living with the lamb, spaceship Earth. At lunchtime, we got a couple booths there around Japan. I want to get one of those. I know she wants some sushi, and that's probably, I think that's back there too.
So these are China.
And, so it's in little booths and they're scattered. Don't mean they're not China.
I know there's a book that's opening in August.
Look, sushi is Japanese, not Chinese.
I know there's a booth that's opening in August that has like spam sushi and special California roll. When I started both booths, they have spam sushi and a special
That booth.
It's not open to all
Doesn't
this.
look exactly like that. But there was something at the same one you had some sushi store. There was
Ramen
something
noodles.
there. I wanted to try.
We can look at it again tonight.
But y'all ain't gonna eat none of it.
Oh, no, we're
So,
not. I'm just saying for y'all. Let's see, let me look at it tomorrow.
we might have to divvy up for lunch like we did last time. And then re-meet up at our next attraction.
Well, we have breakfast. Breakfast at 8:30. You want me to see if I can get it a little bit later, but if we get it too late.
See, I mean, we're walking. We don't have an hour of travel. We left the room at 8. But if you want to see if you can get it for 9 or 9:30, that really didn't. That's gonna make for a long day at the park.
I'm telling you, we need to do some breakfast, do some things, and get someone, get the right lunch, go home for a little, let them swim, let them play, do whatever, and then come back in the afternoon.
We're back at 8 o'clock. Just go
We
back.
gotta go for dinner, but it's like at 6:10 or something.
Oh, then we go to the lounge. Find something to do for a little while. But we watch the fireworks in the back of the park. Near the gate. I don't think it matters now. Harmonious it matters. I don't think it
They have 8:55 and 10:05.
Can we ride the figure house now?
It is a plan. I will not say yes, but it is a plan.
This is Disney's Boardwalk Resort.
Remind me,
Please collect your belongings.
I'm probably
Watch
going to
your
have
pets.
to call the
And take small
Well,
children
I'll
with
see
you.
you.
You can't go
That's
in
the
there.
right. And welcome.
Yes.
Yeah, baby. This is it. Let me see.
Sit down.